Hi Math 3. On Tuesday's homework this week, we are going to be looking at how to find the volume of a composite figure. So what a composite figure is, and this is what we're going to be doing in class tomorrow, is two different figures put together. So here we can see we have a triangular prism, and here we can see we have another different triangular prism. Now just to be clear, it isn't always the exact same shape on top of the exact same shape. Sometimes you'll have a cylinder and a sphere, sometimes you'll have a cone and a cylinder or rectangular prism. You could have any of the shapes and they're just put together. So just a reminder, to find the volume of any shape, you have to find the area of the base and times that by the height. Now, the area of, the base in this figure is a triangle. So to find the area of the triangle, it's 1/2 base times height. And then we're going to do the height of the whole figure. So we're going to start with this bottom one and find its volume. So when we do the area of the base, that's just this part down here. So it's 1/2 times the base, which is 8, times the height, which is 6. And then we're going to take that whole thing by the height of this whole figure, which is 10. So if we just multiply that all together, 1/2 of 8 is 4, times 6 is going to be 24 times 10. So we get that the volume of the bottom figure is 240. Then we're going to do the exact same thing for the top. So again, this base up here actually looks like it's the exact same as this base was down here. So the volume of your base here is going to still be 1/2 times 8 times 6. And then we're going to multiply that by our new height, which is 6. So we already know what 1/2 times 8 being 4 times 6 is, so we already know that that's going to give us 24. 24 times 6 gives us a volume of 144. So we found our two volumes, but to find our composite volume, we have to add them together. So one has a volume of 240, the other has a volume of 144, and if we add that together, we get that the total volume, the composite volume, is 384. This would be inches cubed. Remember, volume is always cubed. So you need to write down all of these steps, and I know there's a lot of steps for this one, but you need to write every step for both of the other Copy Me parts, and then flip it over and try the ones on the back on your own.